o'clock. Come on. Come on, tough guy. Come on, tough guy. Keep on running. Come on, you're real tough, Frank. I know you're tough. Come on, let me get closer. Come on, keep on going. Come on. Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. Stupid. You're real tough, right? 3-3, can we get some more cars before these suspects get ran over or something? They're have to go see what else. You're about to get ran over. This car's coming. This car's coming. It's not going to be funny when you get ran over. It's not going to be funny. It's not going to be funny. Stupid. It's going to be funny when you get ran over. Come on, let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk.
Verify that no one's run over.
I'll talk to him. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Hey! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Show me your fucking hands! Stop playing! It's not a game now, it's in your hands! It's not a game, it's in your hands! Give me your hands! I got the cup! Send everybody to defense. There we go. There we go. Now calm down. You'll make this worse than what it has to be.
We're call the second, please get a couple cars. Copy, Jen.
Get your hands. Good job. Good job.
Hey, my partner!
Real smart, huh? Smart guy. You got your fucking stuff a charge now. Stupid.
Commend you guys. You're doing your job.
Sam 34, where would you like channel 2 at? West 117 and Bel Air?
We're going to need cars at the intersection of West 117 and Delaware Ray.
Motorcycle's probably
We're going to
stolen.
need more cars
Oh, I wouldn't be surprised.
at our location.
See, this is the race fight.
Just be careful, sir. Be careful.
Be on the street.
Be careful.
Race fight. You need
They have guns and stuff. We're good. We're good.
117 and
We're good. Thank you, sir.
Just 117 flush, they're all here. Send us more cars. They're in Halloran Park.
117 and Rush Halloran Park, followed by channel 2.
I'm just making sure they don't pick it up.
That one. Hey.
I'm just making sure they don't get it. The clutch? Oh, okay. Right there, man. It won't go.
Channel 2 has 4 zone cars en route. 4 zone cars en route.
The left hand? Push the left hand, I think.
And they're in 36.
We're good. We're going to lay it down.
At our
We're
location.
good. Thank you, man.
Team 34 en route.
Let's set it down right there.
That's the clutch. This is the brake on the tire.
Okay. Let's go. We just gonna leave it right there. That's it.
Okay, perfect.
Sam 33, I copy. And just verifying we need to channel 2 is asking, are these individuals armed as the initial call came down?
At the time, we don't know. they're all in a yard in front of him.